Marketing mix modeling is having a moment. Everyone is talking about return on investment, incrementality, and what really moves the needle. And marketing mix modeling is built exactly for that. But let's be honest, marketing mix modeling is not easy. It's not just about pushing data into some black box and get magic results. It's one thing to build a statistically viable result, and it's another one to create a model that can help effective decision-making in media and marketing. And that's exactly why we have built the Marketing Mix Modeling Academy. I've been working in the space for the last 20 years and even more. Training teams, building models, creating projects, delivering to clients. This academy is everything I've learned along the way and more. All in one place. This is not just a course. This is a full learning experience that Mass Analytics is sharing with you. We have created diversified content for you, in-depth lessons, hands-on workshops, and exclusive content to take you from theory to practice and to be granted the certification from Mass Analytics. Whether you are new to MMM or trying to sharpen your skills, there is always something for you in this course. Enroll today in order to start your learning journey.